If you want your boarding sky looks like this or this one, then follow these simple steps. First of all, select the sky image whichever you want and import this into PicsArt. Now tap on Tools, then Crop Tools and crop the image as per your desired size. After that, click on Add Image and import your image. Resize it to fill the canvas. Now tap the eraser icon, click on Erase and increase the hardness to 100. Now adjust your brush size and start erasing the background. After you have done, click OK. Now it's time to adjust the color tone of your foreground image. For that, click on Adjust tab. Now adjust the tone as per your background image. After you have done, click OK. Now your image is ready with a stunning sky.